Hi everyone, it's Lauren from Single Barrel Soaps, and today I am doing things a little different. I am working on the Conversation Heart soaps, and this is a custom mold that my dad made me, and we worked on all the sayings. Pretty much everyone in my family had an opinion. Even my daughters helped out with some. I think we have the Be Kind, it's definitely my oldest, and UBU, my middle child. So I did use these first with cold processed soap. They did not really unmold cleanly, and it was very time consuming. So for the size soaps these are, and just how detailed they are, I figured melt and pour would be the easiest way to go. Now that's a pre-made base, and I found one that is detergent free, and it has shea butter in it, so pretty much as close to my actual recipe for cold process as possible. And I've used it, I love it, it feels great on my hands, it feels wonderful, so I thought it would be a good compromise. So for this, I have melted down some of the melt and pour and added pink. I will list the colors below. And now I'm just gonna go through and fill in each and every single one of these words. So I will fast forward this part, but I thought it'd just be fun to show you some other stuff that I'm doing. Okay, now I'm gonna let these sit for probably at least 20 minutes, and I will come back through and I will clean up what I can and then pour the rest of the soap. Okay, I'm back, and now I'm gonna use a little, I'm not sure, tool. I have this for clay, to clean up the edges where I can. It's really not that big of a deal because there'll be another soap on top of it, but some I just like to clean it up a little bit. And I'm gonna be pouring an orange color on top of this. So I'm just gonna go through and neaten these up. And I'll fast forward this part, but it's just kind of to show you what I do next. All right, I think that's as good as it's gonna get. I am going to go melt down the rest of the soap and get ready to pour. So I'll be back in a sec. Okay, I'm back, and I have added the fragrance oil into melted melt and pour. And I have added, I'm using Orange Vibrance by Nurture Soap. And for my fragrance, I'm using a mix of Energy and Yuzu by Bramble Berry. So I'm just gonna slowly stir this in. I may add a little more orange because I want it a little bit brighter. I'm trying to match the Conversation Heart colors. And I didn't take a temperature when I do melt and pour, but for this I just waited until it was almost all melted down with just a few chunks left, and then I stirred those chunks. So I'm gonna add a little more orange and keep stirring for a bit, and then I'll be back to start pouring. Okay, we're back, and I ended up adding a little bit of Mango Tango to this, also from Nurture. Now I'm going to liberally spray these with rubbing alcohol. Two reasons. One, so if I pour it, in case it melts it doesn't displace this, but also so the rubbing alcohol acts like glue between the two soaps. So then all those little words that I worked so hard on will stick to this. I'll just fill it up. You can see that's running a little bit, but I think that'll be okay. There we go. And then I will just keep going with this, and after I do a row, I spray it with rubbing alcohol on top to prevent any air bubbles. And then I will let this sit for, I'm actually gonna wait a couple hours until I unmold it, just so everything sticks together, and also so I can film the unmolding without a lot of background noise. So my son is napping now, and I will wait to unmold these until after he goes to bed. So I'm just gonna keep filling these and spraying. I go through so much rubbing alcohol when I make stuff like this. All right, I'm just gonna keep doing this and then I'll be back when it's time to unmold. Hi, I am back to unmold our soaps, and full disclosure, my family is still awake and in the other room, so you may hear them in the background, but I'm just gonna try to get this done. So I'm gonna start with this guy, and these are actually really easy to unmold. I just pop and release them. And let's see. Beep. Yes. This one says, drinks on me. I love it. So I am going to go a little faster and just show the camera, because there is just a lot of background noise going on. Okay, I love this one. Be My Chaser. So I will have a set that has more of the kind of drink ones. I love how the colors turned out. Let's see, what is this one? And Bourbon Baby, of course. I mean, I had to have that. My family doesn't know what it means to be quiet, but that's okay. So I'm gonna take these and I'm actually gonna flip them. Let's get these out of the way. Mold these, and I will fast forward this bit a little bit. Oh no! All right, that got stuck. That got stuck, so all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna spray a little bit of rubbing alcohol on there, and it really just acts like glue. I'll leave that. All right, I love how these turned out. I love that we got to make these with ones that suit my brand pretty well. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a little different. What did you think? I'm gonna leave a little question up here to see if you guys want me to do more other things besides just cold process soap. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you think down below. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful day.